Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you why I bought Nano Coin. This coin has the potential to flip at least 10 times. If you like to know more, you need to keep on watching. Nano is a feeless, instant, decentralized, scalable, and energy-efficient digital currency meant for large and small payments and for storage of value. Nano is the fastest decentralized currency in existence, with a median transaction time of less than 1 second and is irreversible. If you like to know how I transfer my Nano Coin to LedgerX, click on the video at the top right-hand corner of this screen. You can view the transactions on nanolooker.com. Most decentralized currencies rely on a single shared blockchain, where users compete on fees to convince miners to confirm and add their transactions. Nano has a blockchain per account that only the account owner can modify, and instead of relying on miners to secure the network, it uses an open representative voting system. Nano is very light on electricity consumption, mainly because it does not rely on miners doing expensive proof of work to secure the network. You can do 6 million Nano transactions with the energy consumed by a single Bitcoin transaction. Users need to perform a small POW, proof of work, calculation before a transaction is made. The POW can be verified 20 million times faster than it is generated. The developer team is working on a solution that might allow us to remove the POW altogether. Note: Bitcoin uses POW as a consensus algorithm, which is why it's wasting so much energy. Nano only uses POW as a means to discourage spammers, similar to how it's used in emails. Second, Nano is secure that the Nano network has had zero downtime since its inception. You can see live stats at nanocoin.info. Most decentralized currencies are inherently limited by the protocol, such as with Bitcoin's theoretical limit of 7 transactions per second. Nano scales with the hardware of its nodes, which means it has no theoretical limit. The live network has on multiple occasions confirmed 100 transactions per second, while still serving users with sub-second transaction times. Nano has a wide range of ecosystem. There are a few very popular wallets to keep Nano Coin. For example, Natrium. If you like to know how I buy my Nano Coin, click on the video at the top right-hand corner of this screen. Nano has a fixed supply of 133 million, all of it in circulation, means it is not affected by inflation. Bitcoin has grown less decentralized over the years because of how the economies of scale incentivize miners to form larger and larger pools. Nano does not rely on miners to run the network, which means it has no incentives that pull it towards centralization. If measured by the Nakamoto coefficient, Nano is growing more decentralized by the day and is already ahead of Bitcoin. Bitcoin failed us on its promises and has proven non-functional as a currency, but Nano has picked up the torch and is rapidly gaining awareness. If this piqued your interest, you should go and ask some skeptical questions over in the Reddit community r/nanocurrency.